Okay, we've let our block set up. We've sanded it down. So this is going to go in here. We've got our hook, 7/8 inch hook there that we put in there. And we've sanded this all down. So we're going to put our block in and clamp it. Sanded this down all the way around it. Had to sand this a little bit so it would fit. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments or any suggestions, put it in my comment section. I'd appreciate that also. So we'll glue this in, then we're going to let it set overnight so it dries real well. Glue this all in real good. Just set this aside and let it set up real good, then we'll be able to round down our neck. Thanks for watching.